IPO house by Estúdio Bra Arquitetura in Lapa, Brazil. We received the invitation to design a single-family residence in the leafy neighborhood of Lapa, in São Paulo, SP. Situated on an urban plot, we already had 3 established neighbors, while in our land a small annex, which had been demolished, at the back, and 2 mature pitangueira trees already occupied the scene, along with a generous lawn. The future inhabitants had very well-defined demands in mind. They wanted a house with fluid spaces to promote interaction for everyone who visited, an open kitchen for social occasions, but also the flexibility to close it when necessary, and a separate TV room. With these guidelines in mind, we designed the ground floor in a way that it organized along an elegant wooden bar, where the closable environments were arranged: powder room, TV room, pantry, kitchen, laundry, and barbecue area. The living, dining, and balcony area occupied the widest, most open space, with integration of the side garden from the large windows, spanning the entire length of the wooden bar. For this floor, we chose materials that reflect timelessness and comfort, such as solid concrete for the slab and floor, toari wood for the carpentry, and a metallic staircase painted in a dark gray tone. At the back, we designed a reinforced concrete annex, housing a storage room, machinery room, bathroom, and gym, connected to the main residence by a wooden deck and a pool with a spa, providing ample space for a generous garden and lawn. On the facade, we highlighted the beauty of exposed concrete, molded in pine board forms, and wooden sunshades, which add personality and functionality to the facade. Upon climbing the metallic staircase, it is possible to access the intimate corridor that gives access to the 4 suites, illuminated by skylights and a large window on the side facade. The bedrooms, divided between the master suite, closet, and vestibule on one side, and 3 suites of the same dimensions, for children, guests, and an office on the other, feature the coziness of Kumara wood flooring and walls painted in white, while the bathrooms are clad in terrazzo with different colors and sizes of granules. All bedrooms received wooden sunshades, providing a gentle breeze and effective control of light, while adding coziness to the spaces.